Without doubt, AI has been a game changer in the world of video editing, especially in the year 2025. And that's why we're here today to talk about the top essential AI tool to use in your video editing to make it more faster and look more professional. Get it again, it will make your editing more faster and look more professional. So we know wasting of time, pick your laptop and your phone. Let's go into the world of editing. So today we are going to be editing with ChatGPT and CapCut's combination of Canva. Let's go there.
Number one, feed it with graphic design. I'm not a graphic designer, so we're going to go to Canva to create something basic.
So I got the inspiration of this video from Joey. He is a video editor and he always make tutorial about video editing. Though he edits on CapCut PC, but I always try to recreate my own with CapCut mobile app. Are you ready? We'll go to Canva to create our design. Open Canva and click on the plus button to create a new design. So you can easily search for YouTube thumbnail. That's the size we are going to be using. That size is what we are going to be using. So you search for it, then you click on it. It will be blank as white. Then all you have to do is change the color to green so that we can remove the background in CapCut. So once it's green, then you go to element, you select the circle shape border, then you place it on the design. So place it to the size you want, but change the color to black. So once you place it to the particular size that you want it, next thing you are going to do is to click on the plus button and duplicate your design to 3. So now I have the 3 shape border there. Then let's add text. Then we'll write the text. You see, we are doing the 1, so I have to write 1 there. Then I put it there, position it in the first one. And we'll position it in the first one. We can change the font. Let me use something more bold. So I change the font, change to the font that you want. Then we'll duplicate it again. So we'll duplicate it to the other ones. So duplicate it first. Now you can write 2 and 3 in other one. Just click on the text and write. So once it's like this, next thing to do is to add the text on top, which is day. So you follow the same step and duplicate them. That's all. Next thing is to export your design to your phone. So you click on the share button on top there, then you save your design on your mobile phone. So next thing to do now is to go to ChatGPT. Let's go there. Bring the design that you just saved into ChatGPT and paste this prompt. I copied this prompt from Joey. So you paste this prompt and wait in the next few minutes and you see what it's going to give you. And this is it. Wow, fantastic. So you download it and let's get straight to CapCut. Once CapCut is open, click on new project and create a new project. You can select from library or import a white background that you have on your phone. Once you add your background, next thing to do is to duplicate to any length that you want, to the duration that you want. So next thing, after duplicating, you go to overlay, import the design we saved from Canva. So once you import the design, you go to remove background, use auto remover and remove the green background, and this is how it is. So next thing to do now is to start the main editing. But before then, there's one crazy thing about CapCut, that they have almost all the feature on PC, they have it on the CapCut mobile, only if you know how to use it. Let's continue with the editing by clicking on the mask. So you position the mask, position it like this, put it on the one first, then we'll have it. Then let's add keyframe. First of all, you put a keyframe, then you bring it down a little bit, bring it down, then rotate it a little bit. Then this is a crazy feature that is on CapCut PC, but they added it on mobile. I was surprised. That is adding animation to your keyframe. So here you are going to click on this place, then you can add the animation you want for it will make the keyframe look more smoother. So this is what it look like after you've done everything. Though it's a bit slower, but when I finish the editing, I can speed it up. So we'll go down a bit and cut it at the end of the keyframe. Then we'll duplicate it, and overlay it to make the second one. So as you have duplicated, then you follow the same step and position the mask on the number 2, do the same thing on the number 3, and add the keyframe transition, and here you have it. So, but we are not done because, we need to add motion blur. But for here, we can create a compound clip, right? If it's on PC, we can create a compound clip and easily add it. So all you have to do is, after we are done like this, it's okay, let's export it. Then we can come back again and add it. So the same process, click on new project and add white background, exactly like the one that we used before. So once you have add the white background, position it to the length you want, then bring the video that we just exported on the overlay. Then once you bring it on the overlay, you go to motion blur and click on motion blur, bring it to 60 and blend it to 100. Then you can see it's more smoother right now than usual. So that is it. So that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, click the like button, share, and drop a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think or what you want me to do next. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I still remain Prince Daniel. Stay creative, stay consistent, and stay winning. See you next time.